You're watching Love to Learn Phonics with Miss Ellis. Today's quiz is all about Question 1. What sound does this digraph make? Is it sh, or ch? It's Question 2. Which picture has the sound? Is it 3, shoe, or ring? It's ring. Question 3. What is this word? L-A-ng. The word is long. Question 4. Spot the Say yes if each word has the sound. Say no if it doesn't. Wing, wand, swing, slide. Question 5. Which 2 letters make the sound? Is it N and C, N and G, or N and K? Is made from the letters N and G. Question 6. Sound out the word. Which picture does it match? Is it king, cake, or kite? It's king. Question 7. Which word does not have the sound? Is it string, sloth, or sing? It's sloth. Question 8. Can you read the name of this alien? V-I-N-G. Her name is Ving. Question 9. Choose the word. Is it hang, shed, or path? It's hang. Question 10. Listen carefully. I'm going to say 3 animals. Which one has the sound? Is it duck, swan, or kingfisher? It's kingfisher. Give yourselves a well done for super joining in. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Take care. Bye for now.